Hello, fourth and fifth graders. Let's take a look at today's and this week's math DMR skills. So start off with your Monday tab. It should take you directly to your math DMR for Monday. So for number 1, I see fractions, 2, multiplication slash division, 3, word problems. This week in the measurement category, geometry, and data analysis will be a chart about carnival ticket price and how those prices have increased each year. So let's get started by getting out a sheet of paper and numbering it 1 through 5 to solve. Okay, so please try to keep your math DMR inside of a math notebook using paper if you can. That way you can check it the next day in our math small groups. First thing, please put your name and today's date at the very top. So today is 10/9/2023. Number your paper 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Number 1. Can we compare these two fractions by saying that 1/8 equals 1/8? Why or why not? Well, 1/8 would be the same as 1/8 if these two sizes of pizzas would be the same. So can we compare these? The answer, no. We can not compare two fractions unless they are the same size. And you can see a medium pizza, the slice for 1/8 would not be the same size as 1/8 of a pizza if you had a large pizza. Okay, number 2, fill in the missing number. 2 times what equals 6? 2 times what equals 6? This is also getting you ready for division because leaving out a number in multiplication is kind of like thinking of division. So 2 times what equals 6 is the same as 6 divided by what equals 2. Okay, so 2, 2, 4, 6. If I counted by 2's 3 times, that would equal 6. And then if I reverse those, 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So you have here like a nice little fact family. Question 3. Caleb has 6 bags. Each bag has 12 acorns in it. How many acorns does Caleb have in all? Let's see, if he has 6 bags, and each has 12 in it, 12 acorns, we are going to need to either add 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, or 12 times 6 would give us that same answer. So I know that I know a similar fact 12 times 5 is equal to 60. So if I add 12 more onto 60, 72 would give me the amount I'm looking for. 12 plus 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. Okay, yes, checked and got it. Okay, number 4. This week in measurement, I'm asking for some geometry vocabulary. So before I ask you what this is, let's take a look at some different kinds of geometry vocabulary. Okay, so you can see here that a point is a position or a location in space. So we see a point. A line is, it looks like an arrow or two arrows at the end. A line never ends. It goes on forever and ever in both directions. A ray is different because a ray is a part of a line. It has one endpoint and one arrow that shows that it goes all in one direction, but it has a stopping point or an end point at the other end. A line segment, it is part of a line that has two end points. So it starts and stops. 2 points, no arrows. Parallel lines are a type of lines that do not cross. So if you can imagine these two lines, like maybe a set of railroad tracks, those two lines are never going to cross over one another and they're the same distance apart. Perpendicular lines, those are two lines that cross one another to form square corners. And also, those are called right angles. When an angle has a measure of 90 degrees, or it looks like the edge of a rectangle or square, those are called perpendicular lines, or lines that contain right angles. Okay, so now we can go back over and hopefully answer number 4. What is this? This picture shows a point on one end and an arrow going in one direction. So this is a ray. I can also double check my definition right here. Number 5. Every year, a carnival comes to Hallie's town. The price of tickets to ride the games has gone up every year. So we can see the year 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, and 2012, and the price per ticket. So each year the price has increased about 50 cents per ticket. So the first question is, in 2008, Hallie's allowance was $10 a month. How many carnival tickets could she buy with 1 month's allowance? Okay, so if her allowance was $10 per month, sorry if you hear some background noise. My husband and my kiddo are playing in there. $10 per month. How many could she buy with 1 month's allowance? Okay, so 2008, the ticket price was $2. So if she's getting $10 in a month, How many carnival tickets could she buy with 1 month's allowance? Well, we can take $2 plus $2 plus $2, 2, 4, 6. We're almost there. Another $2 and another $2 for a total of $10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So she could buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tickets. 5 tickets. Final answer. When you finish, please upload a picture of your math DMR by holding it up to the camera so that I can see your work, your name, and the date. So when adding your picture, please make sure to hold it close enough to the camera so that I can see the things that I'm looking for, especially your name and date, and all 5 of your DMR questions. Please remember, if you hold it clear back here, I won't be able to see what it is that you've turned in. So try to do your best by taking a picture that shows your work for all 5 questions, as well as your name and today's date.